It's tiny games I'm going to keep playing with.
Okay, that's fine. I'm all for it.
Let's do your real signatures. The signature that you have, you left your father's property?
No, I haven't taken anything from my father, no.
तो autograph में वो
तो है।
family name is there.
हाँ।
But financially you said मुझे कुछ नहीं. जिसको जो रखना है रख लो. I don't care. It's okay.
Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. That
Correct.
is not for me.
I agree.
मैं ख्याल नहीं रोकता हूँ. एक बहुत effective method है मेरा जो है वो है त्राटक.
I
Candle
love
gazing.
it.
Ghee lamp, not petroleum lamp.
Yeah, ghee lamp is beautiful. The moment we learn to control one organ of ours, we are able to control everything in our life, inside and outside. So the
I have
purpose
a long
was.
way to go.
So we are going on a little walk in a beautiful forest. तो जैसे ही आप forest में गए, आपको एक animal दिखा, which is the first animal you
Deer.
can see. So the idea of love is what I wanted to decode.
Yeah, very accurate.
You like those suggestions when somebody reflects back at you.
Not really, no.
तो फिर कैसा प्यार है ये?
Tough love.
So hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jay Madan and welcome again. We have an amazing, charming guest with us. And आज हम इनसे love, sex और धोखा की बात नहीं करेंगे because for him जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. And I hope you know whom we are talking about. We have Abhay Deol with us and I'm too mesmerized by your dimples. I'm going to keep looking on your left cheek. You have to excuse me for that, but that is what it is. So, to begin with, my first question, because I was coming here, I have a 20-year-old daughter.
Oh, I wouldn't have believed it.
Yes, but I have. And we've grown up together, both of us.
Yeah.
So she asked me, "आप किसका shoot करने जा रहे हैं?" So I told him that my first shoot is with Abhay Deol. She said, "Oh shit, you should have told me. I would have come along." I said, "But why?"
Aww.
She's not a filmy buff. She said, "He's so charming. I like him." I said, "All right, I'll share them." And she would hate me saying that to you. But a young growing up girl, and I see that impact that you have on girls and women and all of them. What do you think makes you so charming?
That's not a question for me.
No, I really want you to answer. What do you think?
I think not knowing is the charm also. I
Yeah,
suppose.
you think that being that naive and innocent.
As in, I am who I am, and I try and be as authentic as I can be. Perhaps that's the charm, but then I can't really say for other people what it is that they find charming.
But when you get compliments,
हाँ जी.
do you ever inquire कि ऐसा क्या मतलब? What is it that you like about?
I'll tell you one thing about me. I'm really bad at giving compliments, and I'm really bad at receiving compliments. Compliments shut me up.
Is it?
Yeah.
But why that shyness
I don't know. I think it must be childhood trauma
of receiving compliments?
and giving.
So let's start with that, with your childhood.
Sure.
Let's start with your childhood. When I come and meet a guest, that I want to see and talk about, and I get interested into their life, क्योंकि मेरा काम है. मैं देख रही थी that you've lived in a joint family setup, and joint family setup where there are stars in the making, and there is a star in the house.
Yeah.
कैसा महसूस होता है?
I suppose पहले तो ऐसा कुछ था नहीं कि कोई स्टार है कोई नहीं है बिकॉज घर पे तो बस पापा अंकल ताया भैया वही था हमारे लिए एंड इट्स व्हेन यू ग्रो स्लाइटली ओल्डर यू स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज अच्छा हम अलग है वी नॉट लाइक द एवरेज ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन बिकॉज वी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एवरीवेयर वी गो the last name is recognized, so you kind of get singled out. जैसे कि स्कूल में या तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई मेरी फैमिली का फैन था टीचर वगैरह चाहे तो फिर बहुत एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट मिलती थी पर ये भी होता है कि अगर कोई फैन ना हो और जिनको लगा कि नहीं तुम्हारा परिवार अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर वो ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा डिफिकल्टीज भी देते थे सो डिपेंड्स ऑन वी गेट सो यू हैव टू बी ऑन गार्ड नोइंग ओके is this person going to be nice to me or is this person going to be bad to me? You come in knowing that you're going to be prejudged. वो था.
And what age were you 7 and 8 when you decided you want to join films? कि मैं कुछ इंडस्ट्री में करना चाहता हूँ बट अलग हट के मीनिंगफुल.
मुझे एक बहुत बचपन की याद है. I must have been 5 years old at best, maybe 6. मैं एक स्कूल प्ले में था और मैं कृष्णा बना हुआ था. और
well suited
मेरे आसपास और फिर विलन आता फिर मैं विलन को ऑफ कोर्स
कंस
बॉक्स करके पिटा कर उससे हरा देता हूँ एंड आई रिमेम्बर दैट इज थिंकिंग वाओ आई लाइक दिस एक्टिंग आई थिंक आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर. लेकिन फिर घर पे क्योंकि एक्टर्स थे घर पे ऑलरेडी तो जो भी बाहर से आता था वो कहते थे कि बड़ा होकर ये भी एक्टर बनेगा. फिर मैंने बोला नहीं दैट्स नॉट मी आई एम नॉट गोना एक्ट बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि व्हाई इज एवरीबॉडी टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड आई कुड डू अदर थिंग्स. सो सीक्रेटली मैं एक्टर बनना चाहता था, लेकिन मैं लोगों को बोलता नहीं था कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है।
आप अभी भी तो ऐसे ही हैं, जो आप करना चाहते हैं आप बोलते कहाँ हैं?
That's
सो अपनी पहली मूवी के बाद जब यू गेट मोर रिकग्निशन, सबको मिलती है, आपको भी मिली होगी, हाउ डिड यू फील अबाउट इट? क्या अलग लगा
पहली मूवी के बाद
पहली?
I was quite humble. People were saying, "Oh, okay, at least he can act." इसका एक्टिंग आती है, एक्टर ठीक। So I was happy with that, क्योंकि मैं काफी अपने लुक वगैरह से खुश था नहीं, तो मुझे डर था, सुपरफिशियल चीजों से मैं थोड़ा कंसर्न था। पर जब मैंने देखा, people didn't care, they just liked the performance for what it was.
सो आपने ग्रोइंग अप एज अ यंग बॉय व्हेन यू वर 13, 14, 15, डिड यू फील कि बाकी लोगों के हिसाब से मेरी हाइट कम है या ये कम है, ये ज़्यादा, बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज कंपेयर्ड इन अ वे व्हेन यू आर सिमिलर एज्ड पीपल? डिड यू गो थ्रू दैट, चाहे किसी ने नहीं भी बोला बट महसूस करने में?
My dad used to always say lamba, because I grew up taller later after 14 or 15. Till 14, 15 I wasn't really growing that tall. जो अक्सर होता है लड़कों के साथ,
बिल्कुल
it's
ठीक,
normal.
या
My dad was very stressed.
कि
मुझे
लंबा नहीं हो
stress
रहा.
थी कि मैं लंबा नहीं हो रहा हूँ. And then suddenly at 14, 15 I just shot up.
And then was he happy with you?
And then he was happy.
So how's your equation with him? Are you
Oh, he's
close?
Passed away now, and this is
And-
many years ago. But yeah, it was early on in life I realized how important it is to look a certain way, to be a certain height. हम इंडस्ट्री में थे तो फिर already हम पर extra attention थी, so the physical and also
Appearance.
the surface became very important.
And did that stress you too much?
Of course, because physical is just one aspect of us, not the whole thing. And then when you're forced to just focus on the one thing, you leave behind the other thing, and that obviously creates.
And that's what made you a rebel.
I don't know.
But would you call yourself a rebel?
I was definitely.
And not now?
I was called that. Now I'm a diplomat.
Really? I don't think you can ever get that art. No, I feel you're a silent rebel. You will not say it out loud, but वो अंदर वो ही है. That cannot be changed.
I'm not. I wouldn't change a thing. जो भी rebellion की है मैंने, to whatever level I did, I wouldn't change it because I learned so much from it. But I call myself a diplomat now because, true, I'll say it to you because you brought it up. Inside, I'm still that rebel, but I don't react from that place anymore. And I find diplomacy wherever I can because diplomacy will bring me the result I want. Rebellion will bring me fame and name, but not necessarily the result I want. Whereas diplomacy might not give me fame and name, but it gets the result. And so what do I want at the end of the day? Results.
So how beautifully you've learned this art. ये transformation कैसे हुआ, जो अभी तक कोशिश कर रहे हैं आप, पूरा हुआ नहीं है.
होते रहेगा, तो कभी रुकेगा नहीं, I think.
I also, when I looked at you, I understood that after you turned 36, there's a lot of transformation of spirituality and being wholesome in your life. And what all do you do to maintain it? आप क्या करते हैं अपने daily schedule में to be this way mentally?
It's good to have a healthy routine. That definitely helps you. तो जैसे कि मेरी न्यूट्रिशन बहुत अच्छी है, I eat well. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी भी रेगुलर है मेरी, चाहे योगा हो या वेट ट्रेनिंग हो या स्विमिंग हो. I mean, there's other things which can be personalized, meditation हो या वगैरह.
आप करते हैं? Do you meditate?
Now I do. The last couple of years I have been more than before. So training, physical training, activity and nutrition has always been for a long time. Meditation not necessarily so much, but meditation अब आ चुकी है.
And do you
में.
feel a difference after that?
Oh yeah, for sure.
बहुत सारे लोग आपको देख रहे होंगे और चाहते होंगे कि ये calmness, ये subdued rebelliousness उनके अंदर भी आए. But when you ask them to meditate, they're like, ये मेरे से होता नहीं. मैं आँख बंद करता हूँ और मुझे इतने सारे thoughts आ जाते हैं. I'm not able to concentrate. What would you like to say about things like that?
Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. That is
Correct.
not for me.
I agree.
मैं ख्याल नहीं रोकता हूँ. मैं allow
रोक भी
करता
नहीं
हूँ.
सकते हैं.
रोक भी नहीं सकते हैं. Exactly. वो तो stress हो जाएगी फिर आदमी को. तो फिर थॉट्स आते हैं, यू जस्ट हैव टू ऑब्जर्व देम. अगर आप थॉट से थोड़े अब्जॉर्ब हो जाएं और कहीं घूम जाएं उस थॉट में, कोई बात नहीं, वापस आ जाइए. जैसे आपको रियलाइज किया, अरे मैं तो इसमें घुस गया हूँ, कम बैक टू सेंटर, ट्राई एंड फोकस ऑन द गैप बिटवीन द थॉट्स. अगली थॉट में आप ज़रूर जाएंगे, फिर वापस आ सकते हैं आप. अगर आपको स्टिलनेस, साइलेंस में बैठने की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर डू एन एक्टिव, व्हाट आई कॉल एक्टिव मेडिटेशन. तो चाहे वो मंत्र जपना हो या फिर ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज, फोकस ऑन ब्रेथ हो. एक बहुत इफेक्टिव मेथड है मेरा जो है वो है त्राटक,
I
कैंडल
love it.
गेजिंग.
Candle gazing करते हैं
हाँ,
कि
कैंडल गेजिंग.
बिंदु डॉट.
candle gazing. Ghee lamp, not petroleum lamp.
Yeah, ghee lamp is beautiful. You know, Patanjali Yoga Sutra Kevalya Pad, the shlok says that if you want to be like sun, अगर आपको सूर्य जैसे चमकना है, that means fame and popularity and discipline, तो सूर्य त्राटक करें. If you want to have more better imagination in your system, अगर आपको imagination बहुत अच्छी करनी है, तो आप moon त्राटक करें. जैसे moon parties and moon festivals and you know, which has gone into a different direction, but that's not what it was exactly.
I was gonna sing moon party. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't meant to be. The purpose was for moon gazing, you know, to shower in the beautiful light of moon. And then it says कि अगर आपको अपनी thoughts में clarity चाहिए, तो then you should focus on a ghee lamp. Fire के ऊपर करें gazing. And then the fourth point is very beautiful, that if you want everybody to love you, you should only concentrate on your own heartbeat. मतलब पूरा दिन आपकी जो सुर्त है, जो ध्यान है, वो अपनी heartbeat पे होना चाहिए.
Wow.
And then the last point says that if you want people to get mesmerized by you, if you want to be very hypnotic, then work only on your eyelashes. मतलब 30 सेकंड के अंदर अगर आपकी पलक नहीं झपकती है, that means you've learned the art of conquering your eye movements.
So like don't blink.
Yeah, don't blink. So where you can be more mesmerizing. So
त्राटक में भी कहते हैं ना कि कैंडल गेजिंग करो, try not to blink.
Yes, because एक बार हो जाए, निकल जाए, then close your eyes and do. The point is that हर दिन 20 सेकंड बढ़ना चाहिए.
ऐसा है क्या?
Yeah.
मैंने उस पर फोकस नहीं रखा that I don't blink. My focus is more just concentration, sitting in stillness, observing, and then trying to ground myself before I start the day.
The moment we learn
उसमें ही है.
to control one organ of ours, we are able to control everything in our life, inside and outside. So the
I
purpose
have a long
was.
way to go. I do.
I want you to do a small thing, and I want to see, you know, something about you that changed you as a person. Can I have that pen and paper? It's tiny games I'm going to keep playing with you.
Okay, that's fine. I'm all for it.
Do you have a different autograph and a different banking signature, or it's same?
Different.
Let's do your autograph. What do you do when you sign for somebody? Let's do your real signatures and see.
I've been changing since I was in school.
I don't want you to change also.
No, but I want to change the signature because I just haven't bothered with changing it.
See, the signature that you have, which is for your autographs or for your expression of what you perceive,
What you want people to
perceive you, is this, you know, which is like you have equal importance to Abhay ka A. The first alphabet of your name represents who you actually are. Now, if we see this A, we see it's huge, but it's closed. It's big, it's emotional, and it's also in a way where for you, family and relationship is more about your professional part. You don't like to share your personal space with people. You just don't feel comfortable. Abhay and Deol साथ है पर चिपका हुआ नहीं है. So you would never in life from your family would want them to favor you. अच्छा आप इसको बोल देना मेरे लिए करा दो. You would never say that. You would always want a position where you are at a point जहाँ आप उनके लिए कुछ कर सको. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ मुझे ये देखना. What am I capable of serving on the table? Not what I'm wanting them to do.
Them to give me.
Because ये साथ नहीं है and A is bigger than Dior. So your whole idea is not to compete with them, but to be in a position where you can always be at a point. What can I offer them? What can I do for them? What can I create for them? Secondly,
The curve, this actually curve, it didn't come. It starts as a turn there.
yeah, it does take a turn there.
It does. It wasn't dark. It was light. So it actually started here like that.
And then this got removed.
No, light tha wo. As in, I started with the pen over there. It just didn't come in. That's all.
So for you, creativity, even acting in the films is about art. For you, you imagine yourself जब आप काम करते हैं, कोई स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं, कोई सीन एक्ट करने जाते हैं, आप उसको खुद ही को एक्ट करते हुए देखते हैं. करने से पहले. For you, it has to be like a moving picture in front of your mind, your imaginations. For you, it is very important that it has to reflect art. मैं उस चीज को ऐसा करूं कि मैं वो ही बन जाऊं.
Where on the signature does it say that?
You make an S with an A.
Like
It's
that.
like an over,
that.
It's like an overextended loop. तो मैं extra effort डालूंगा.
Okay.
अगर मैं किसी शराबी का रोल कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे 3 महीने शराब पीनी चाहिए. मुझे देखना चाहिए.
Those days are gone.
You will still be like that. Depends on what role you
I
pick up.
can from memory only pull. It's fine. There's something called acting.
Yes. So for you, that has to be very experiential.
Yeah.
Then with
True.
Dior L, is not something what usually anybody would make. In your family, I've seen signatures of other people also. It's like you want to create a legacy. You want to be known for something that you create, which is out of the box, so that you don't know where you are right now, because abhi hum us stage pe hain nahi. With your age, you're still at that phase where you're figuring out, main aisa kya kar sakta hu, where I create a purpose of my life, what I'm capable of doing. But eventually, you won't die without that.
I won't die without that.
You won't die without that. That's the perception. Now let's come to your financial position. Whenever we have a reverse in signature,
This is a bad thing.
it's not a bad thing. आप कोई सीन क्रिएट करोगे, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, कहोगे सब हटा दे, वापस करूँगा. I'm not satisfied with it. It brings you to the point back from where you started. अगर ये इसमें होता, जैसे आमिर खान का है, तो वो पिक्चर बनाते हैं, 70% बनाने के बाद स्क्रिप्ट कर देते हैं, इनसे वापस रीशूट करो. I don't care about it.
और यहाँ
Because
पे-
it's financially. So financial decisions will be done in a way where you'll say, I am not happy with it, sell it, I don't care, I want to redo something about it. So financially, it brings you back to the point instead of going too forward.
Okay.
प्लस आपको अपना हिसाब ही नहीं पता, आपको पता ही नहीं कहाँ है, क्या है, कितना है, कैसे, बस राम भरोसे से सब चल रहा है.
और वो कैसे मालूम आपको सिग्नेचर?
You see, there's no clarity in it.
Okay. Yeah.
There's no Abhay Deol in it.
No.
There's something big. जो मुझे खर्चना है, जहाँ मुझे जाना है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Rest I give a damn about it. So that's what it reflects. I'm gonna tear them, or rather take it back to you, because this is something I should not have it. So I
Oh, we done. That's fine.
yes. So this is something I wanted to.
It's nice, yeah. So with this, it's just that I will revisit financial decisions, and I don't
And
know anything about my
also-
finances.
Yeah, and also it is about when your team sits around with you, आप ऊपर से नीचे तक हिसाब ही नहीं देखते, आप लास्ट की लाइन देखते हैं. प्रॉफिट कितना है ये बताओ, क्या बनाया ये बताओ. और फिर वो बोलते सर इस वाली से निकाल कर पैसे इस वाली इसमें डाल देते हैं. यू नो व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट, दोस बैंकिंग स्टूपिड स्टफ दे डू.
Yeah. That's what I call it, banking stupid stuff.
Yeah. Where you put stuff from one policy to another. You say, all right, okay, ठीक है, कर the grab. मुझे जल्दी बताओ, come back to the point. Tell me क्या आएगा इसमें, क्या benefit हो रहा है. So for you, it's just about bringing it back to the crux. तो अगर हम ये line को खत्म कर दें यहीं पर और फिर नई straight line करें, because you have lost money in interest. For you, it's more about survival and comfort. It's not about accumulation of wealth. अगर वो ख्याल आए, तो फिर हमें वो स्कूल वाले सिग्नेचर बदलने पड़ेंगे.
Agar if I want to make
If
more
you want
money.
to, because see, it's your subconscious pattern. Nobody else
Yeah.
decided for you. ये आप ही
Yeah.
हैं. जब हमें
So just change the signature and that can have an impact?
always, if you change the mind, you'll have change here. So I want to ask 3 small things from you.
Okay.
Okay?
Should I do a signature also and show you? Like you
Of
can
course,
approve? Approve or disapprove?
of course, we can rectify. That's what I do.
Okay.
For everyone.
That's definitely something
Yeah.
I'll take your...
Definitely.
But ask your question first.
Yes. So, what is your opinion about marriage and children?
I don't want to have children.
But you want to adopt children. You want to take care of children.
If I was to settle down, then I would adopt over having my own. Because, I don't know, I just look at the world and I'm like, why would I bring a child into this planet?
Really?
Yeah.
Aren't you happy on this planet?
I am.
Then why not another one?
Because, you know, the planet can't be burdened with
One
such a exploding population. So to try and avoid adding more to what is already too much, it's that. Yeah.
That's it.
I also don't want children, so.
So it's like brush the question away. It's
मुझे
okay.
वैसे भी चाहिए नहीं. On top of that, even if I did want, I look at the world and I'm like, मैं क्यों लेकर आऊँ एक real life जिंदगी को
Because you don't like too much responsibility. You just feel कि पता नहीं मैं justice कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं.
Yeah.
हर एक emotion को कैसे manage कर पाऊंगा. पता नहीं कैसा feel होगा. Will I be able to, you know, create a...
Well, I do find that I might be more controlling and possessive than I actually am if I had a child. I might be. Yeah, maybe.
It's a tough situation to handle yourself.
Yeah, like I might lose my sense of, you know, easygoing, free and relaxed to always on edge, protective, possessive. So I think, yeah, we were very protected growing up. I might reflect that on my own child.
Do you see yourself in mountains after 60?
I like the beach. I'm not saying I wouldn't be in the mountains, but so far, nothing I've invested in has been in the mountains. Not that I've invested much in property. I grew up by the beach and I now live in Goa, so I don't know about the mountains.
What was the reason for you to leave Bombay and come to Goa?
The noise, the traffic, the pollution.
It's all coming to Goa as well, no?
I know.
What's next?
Some other place at some point. Convert my villa into a wellness center.
Yeah, I think
Turn
that'll
it
be
into
a
business.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that'll be a great idea because what I feel is that your sense of art and non-clutter spaces
Yeah.
is going to make people feel very calm. You
Yeah.
also like sitting a lot on floor?
Not necessarily, but I do sit. मैं meditation में तो मैं
आप नीचे
floor पे ही
बैठते हैं?
बैठता हूँ, हाँ जी. But it's not a regular. For that, I'm every time. Like, so every morning I am, I suppose, huh?
So do you believe in a form of God?
Sure, yeah, there's definitely. I don't have a particular one. I believe that, the universe is essentially consciousness and we come in and out of it.
And would you ever be okay visiting a gurudwara or a temple?
Oh, yeah, I've done that. I've visited temples, I've visited gurdwaras. I have no issues. I've been to mosques. I have no issues with going to places of worship because I believe that's where people have put their faith. Yeah, and, I respect that. And
Would you like to share one spiritual experience that you had which moved you, got you into things, made you feel calm, make you come out of a trauma that you've...
I don't think I had spiritual experiences that made me more spiritual. I had traumatic experiences that made me spiritual.
So is there any traumatic experience that made you a better person instead of bitter?
I would say every traumatic experience has now in my life made me a better person.
When you look back, you realize that...
Yeah, because there was trauma that when you're unaware of trauma, then you're more likely to react to situations. When you start getting aware of trauma, then you're more likely to respond to situations. But that takes process. So, of course, I've definitely acted out of trauma in the worst way possible. बहुत किया है. Part of my rebellion.
Which I think still is, and that's what makes you because हम जैसे होते हैं हम वैसे दिखने लग जाते हैं, whether we like it or we don't like it.
So I don't look like a diplomat to you?
No, I don't think you can ever be a diplomat. I think you
There goes my application to the United Nations.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है आप कोशिश करते हैं. You've learned to ignore, not to be a diplomat. There's a difference, है ना? हम कुछ चीज़ों को जिस पर react करना है, we let them pass, उसको निकाल देते हैं.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make us a diplomat because हम उसको convert नहीं करते, हम उसको छोड़ देते हैं. तो
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है आपने ignore करना सीखा है. Diplomacy मुश्किल है.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, मुश्किल
Perhaps.
है. मुश्किल है. So before I end, I want to play one small game with you.
Of course, I love your games.
Another, yeah?
Yeah, you can play a couple more games with me. And you have to give me approve a new signature of mine.
Yes. So your mother is there.
She is, yes.
Yes, and you take care of health.
She was here
and-
just now, in fact,
health
yeah.
and finances and everything.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. So because इसमें अभय and Deol सब साथ में रखा हुआ है.
इसमें सिर्फ अभय है.
There's no Deol in it.
There's no deal in this. Oh, you didn't read that? It's ABHAY.
So then I think you left your father's property, or you were not interested, या कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया कि कुछ लेना भी है वहाँ से.
Yeah, my father had one apartment.
And you left it.
I mean, it's still there. It's not in my name. No, I haven't taken anything from my father. No.
Correct.
Is that why this?
Correct. When we use a surname, because आपकी legacy तो Deol है ना.
हाँ जी, तो
जब
मेरा
अपन
autograph
लगाएंगे
में
नहीं-
लगाता हूँ मैं.
Correct. तो autograph में वो
तो है.
family name is there.
हाँ.
But financially you said मुझे कुछ नहीं. जिसको जो रखना है रख लो. I don't care. It's okay. I'll create what I need. Doesn't matter.
Okay, that is interesting. Because I haven't taken anything from my dad yet. Yeah.
So we'll see what you need.
So should
And
I add
then-
Deol to my financial name also?
Yes. Yes.
Make my demands to the family.
See, because I always tell people, that if you have legacy, why leave it? क्योंकि अगर भगवान को आपको स्ट्रगल ही कराना होता तो आपको ड्राइवर के घर पैदा कर देते. वो मिल जाता जो हमको
I suppose
स्ट्रगल
so.
करके आना था. जब कुछ मिला है, then have the fullest of it. और
Yeah.
जब नहीं मिला, फिर कोई बात.
I still might stick to just Abhay for my financial
Correct. But
signature.
we'll do something about Dubai where
Yeah.
the money stays and it grows. Because आप ध्यान नहीं देते तो वो अल्लाह मेहरबान गधा पहलवान सिचुएशन है. But it's not that you care for it and create it.
हाँ जी.
So
So
that is
just don't have any line going backwards.
what we should avoid.
huh.
And also if we create a loop in the Y,
That's
it'll
better.
make you have much better financial stability.
Loop मतलब कि like a circle type of thing.
Like if we have this, instead of this, we make it like this.
Ah, understood. Okay, I could do something like that.
And having 2 dots in this makes you never retire in life. So if you see Mr. Bachchan's signature, Shahrukh, Salman,
They all have 2
एज
dots.
का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है ना. मुझे हीरो बनना है और मैं लाइमलाइट में ही रहूंगा. It's 2 dots because it's like
उनके भी 2 dot रखते हैं वो?
It's to be continued. When we have to end something, we
Yeah,
put a full
yeah, to
stop.
be continued,
and when
correct.
we put 2 dots, because your subconscious mind wants more of it. So I think you having 2 dots there means
in
that
the autograph.
in the
form.
autograph, correct, because आपको financially you want in a way जहाँ पर काम ना करना पड़े और पैसे रोज बढ़ रहे हैं, तो
So something like this.
correct, this is
Or stuff like that.
like that, better,
This is better.
this is better.
Yeah. Okay.
This
No,
is, yeah.
you want to turn it around.
Yes, we create pockets with our mind.
So I mean, for me, this is a more natural A.
Correct.
More than this.
Yeah, and that's beautiful because it's touching the A also, so the completion is there.
I don't need the dots in this one though.
Yeah, which
इसमें
is
जरूरत
good.
नहीं है. Oh, put the 2 dots here
It's
also.
always better because your Venus is a strong planet.
Is it?
It is. It's a strong planet.
Okay.
So with age, you'll see that you'll always look better. So if you'll see yourself 10 years below, people might like you, but you'll say, you know, I'm better now. I can do better with myself now. So with progressive age, it makes you like, when Venus is very good, you become like wine. With
So,
age,
as in Venus is strong in my chart,
in you.
or just in me as
I
a...
see hands and everything. ना मैं तो
Oh.
स्कैनर लेकर बैठे हैं आप साथ में.
Now you tell me. पहले बोल देते मैं ऐसे बैठे रहता.
उतने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. But see, so this is where we bring it into manifestation. एक चीज अंदर है और उसको हम बाहर कागज पे लेकर आ गए. That's what we do.
I might take the line off. If
So line से एक बेनिफिट होता है और एक नुकसान होता है.
so, ऐसे ये बन जाएगी मेरी line. Best.
नहीं, ये वापस से यू टर्न बन जाएगा. लाइन मीन्स दैट जैसे मिस्टर बच्चन की सिग्नेचर के नीचे लाइन है, ही गॉट बैंकरप्ट, फिर कहीं से अमर सिंह आए लाइन बनकर. लाइन इज लाइक आप चलते चलते थक गए और किसी ने कहा मैं गोद में उठा लूं, लेट मी
line
कम एंड
निकाल दो
सपोर्ट.
मतलब.
लाइन रखिए, पीपल विल कम
Oh,
आउट ऑफ द
people
वे एंड
come
सपोर्ट
out.
यू, एंड
That's
इट हैज
my
ऑलवेज
line.
हैपेंड. Correct.
Okay, I'll keep the line.
Keep the line, yeah.
Because they do your work for you, right?
Correct.
Okay.
They always look for ways to support.
That you're saying.
That is it. Correct.
Okay, fine.
Correct.
ठीक
So we
है.
create more wealth, and
Okay.
you anyways want to buy land and create more wellness and things where people can come and experience different
I
things,
do.
where there's music and everything. इससे ये हो जाएगा, उससे आपको लैंड ही पसंद नहीं आएगा.
Okay, so ये तो मेरा financial signature हो गया.
Correct.
And I can leave my this signature as is and just add the
Just
two
add
dots.
two dots.
That's
Correct.
it.
So
Okay.
this takes the legacy forward.
Got it. Okay.
So you also want to start a production, like you want to start a production.
I mean, I've produced a little bit already, but yeah, I don't think I'm doing it at the scale or level at which I would like it to be, for sure. Production and the wellness center as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so production also seems to be coming your way. It might take another 2 more years.
Really?
Yes, but it is more on offbeat production, not for movies. Looks like more for a web series or a documentary kind of thing.
Oh, I want to movies.
Let's see where you take it and where money comes in. दोनों
Yeah.
चीजें हैं.
Yeah, I mean, I understand film more than anything else, but who knows? Could
Yeah.
be a series.
You understand a concept more than anything. फिर लंबा करना हो तो सीरीज हो जाएगी, और जहाँ पैसे हो वहाँ काम हो जाएगा.
I suppose.
If somebody pins you in a wrong way, then you're a rebel.
Yeah.
प्यार प्यार से you're never like that.
No, समझा दोगे तो फिर ठीक है.
ठीक
Then
है.
I can make my own decision.
Correct. But if somebody tries and presses you the wrong way,
Yeah.
then you're all out and loud and say, if
Because
it's
I don't have a
war,
problem you doing you do you. If I agree with it, I can join. If I don't agree with it, you do you, na? But if you don't tell me, then yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So with this, what is your opinion about love? What do you feel? What is love? And I'm talking about not generic love of friends and family, about a partner. What you feel love is for you.
I suppose someone who can reflect back clearly to you where you are and who you are.
And do you like those suggestions when somebody reflects back at you?
Not really, no.
तो फिर कैसा प्यार है ये?
Tough love.
So we're going to play a very small, tiny game.
Sure.
And if you play this well and honestly, like you've been up till now, then I've
Sure.
got a beautiful gift for you.
Okay, only if I play well.
Yes.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
मैं गिफ्ट तो फिर भी दूंगी, पर फिर मैं स्माइल के साथ दूंगी.
I'll be looking out for that smile now.
Yes, and
Anji.
you will love the gift also, because
Okay.
I always believe in giving meaningful things that add value and luck to people.
It's just not open the box and say, oh, from our sponsor. ये नहीं होगा.
No, I think.
I'm just kidding.
ना मैं हो ही नहीं पाता मुझसे, मतलब मैं पंजाबी नो mentally what to do. So we are going on a little walk in a beautiful forest. तो जैसे ही आप forest में गए, आपको एक animal दिखा, which is the first animal you can
Deer.
see. फिर आप थोड़ी आगे गए, आपको एक और एनिमल दिखा. व्हाट इज द सेकंड एनिमल?
Dog.
ओके. फिर हम थोड़ी और आगे जाते हैं और हमको एक हट दिखती है, अ स्मॉल ब्यूटीफुल हट. देयर आर 3 ways टू गो अबाउट इट. या हम इसको इग्नोर कर दें, या हम इसके अंदर चलें, या हम नॉक करके देखें कि कोई है. क्या करना चाहेंगे?
I'm a curious sort and adventurous. I guess I'd knock.
या
Yeah, why not?
सो व्हेन यू नॉक, द डोर इज ओपन, नोबडी इज देयर. एंड आपने देखा एक टेबल है और टेबल के ऊपर 20 कैंडल्स रखी हुई हैं. व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द टेबल यू कैन फील?
क्योंकि गोल सामने है मेरे, तो मुझे गोल आ गया है.
डन. एंड कितनी कैंडल्स जलाएंगे आप? 20.
सारी.
सारी.
हाँ.
और फिर वहीं पे कुछ चेयर्स भी रखी हुई हैं. कैन यू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स फॉर मी?
4, 5.
Okay, that's good. You're feeling thirsty, and there is a jug that you can see around. What kind of jug do you see?
It's glass because I have a glass jug at home.
Okay, and how much water is in the jug?
Full.
Now we step out of the hut. हमने पानी पी लिया.
मैं ज़्यादा सोच नहीं रहा हूँ. I'm just.
That's
yeah.
how it is supposed to be. I
Okay.
thought it's not something you've done before.
No.
Now we step out of the hut. ठीक? और हम आगे जा रहे हैं. अब एक waterfall दिख गई. कितनी strong है waterfall? What kind of waterfall?
Tall waterfall.
And
लंबा.
what's the pressure of the water?
Not so much that it'll crush you, but enough to make you feel exhilarated.
Great. Do you see swans around?
Now that you mention it, why not?
How many?
2.
Yeah? Okay. So now we step more towards where we finally need to go. जहाँ हमें जाना है, बीच में एक रिवर आ गई और आपको उस पार जाना है. क्या करेंगे? स्विम करके क्रॉस करेंगे कि कोई रास्ता ढूंढेंगे जाने का?
Swim because I like to make things difficult.
Yeah? Okay. So now as we cross towards the other side and you've reached your final destination, how do you feel?
Feel good?
Yeah? Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
And look up and see the sky. Give me 3 adjectives for the sky.
Expansive, deep, calming.
Okay. Now, if you see the water there, just give me 3 words. What would you like to say to the water?
What would I like to say to the water?
Yeah, like when you look at it, what would you? It's difficult for you to compliment, but चलिए अगर पानी को 3 compliment.
I mean, thank you for quenching my thirst.
And what do you feel for water? That right now.
I want to go in and bathe in it, immerse myself in it. And I feel like it also helps me feel like I'm floating, like I'm flying.
Shall we decode you?
Sure. Oops.
So we went for a little walk in the forest, right? तो जब हम forest में गए, the first animal that you saw is you. So for
Okay.
you, it's about you resonate being like a deer. There is something that you're searching, but पता नहीं क्या. But there is a endless, unending thirst and search for something, and you're
Yeah.
very fragile. जहाँ पे आपको लगता है थोड़ी negativity भी है, you want to run away from there. It's like that whole area of being through a traumatic part doesn't work with you, and you like to be with people around that you like. But वो आपके close group के लोग आपके आसपास हों तो आपको comforting लगे.
Yeah.
Then you saw another animal, which is the
Who I actually am.
no.
No.
It's
Dog.
the second animal is the kind of partner you want in life. You want people who are loyal. तो अगर कोई झगड़ा भी हो और डांट भी मार दी तो डॉग जैसे वापस आ जाओ.
Yeah.
Things have to get back to normal. So you expect that loyalty. You expect that instant normalcy with your partner no matter what goes wrong. And that innate companionship, you know, जैसे डॉग के साथ हमारी companionship होती है कि हम साथ हैं, मतलब there's no complaint, but there's innate love, understanding and companionship. So the heart represents कि आप कितनी curious हैं to be in a relationship. So if you like someone, then you definitely like to approach.
Also, like, had I said कि नहीं मैं hut, I don't go into the hut, it would
That
mean that
means-
I would not make the first approach.
attempt, yes. So
So
you would
with
like
me,
to
it's like
knock.
I do actually knock.
Yeah, like
and I am
knock
curious.
and approach and be generous, like let's be friends and talk and initiate and then get inside the hut. So this is a phase of your life right now where you don't mind being into a relationship or
Okay.
would have been. But it's a
Okay.
phase where relationship is not a no-no for you.
It's not a no-no for me.
फिर हम अंदर गए और हमने एक राउंड टेबल देखी, which means that when it is about an emotional thing, you try and be as flexible as possible.
Yeah, but round तो मैंने ये देख कर round
पर
बोला.
आप सब स्क्वायर भी बोल सकते थे, उधर एक
That's-
irregular भी है. You said what is your
So
subconscious
round is I'm
flexibility.
flexible. Okay,
Correct.
fine.
फिर हमने कैंडल्स देखी which shows you know what kind of resources you like to use for yourself. सब की सब जला देंगे. So if you have a resource, you would like to use it for yourself. की
Okay.
I know this person, I would like to use it or ask for it to the fullest of my capacity using your resources. फिर हमने chairs dekhi, which shows what kind of generosity you have with people.
I only had 5.
Yeah, so that means you don't like too much of crowd. You like people that you can have a good conversation with, sit, and not like the whole jamgat of n number of people and making it meaningless. Then you saw a jug, which shows what kind of emotional capability you have. You like relationships, friendships, जहाँ पे सब transparent होना चाहिए.
Glass.
मुझे पता होना चाहिए आप क्या सोच रहे हो, मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. And how much love capacity you have, it's full. When you give, you're a great giver.
Yeah.
फिर हम waterfall की तरफ गए. Waterfall shows what is your sensual desire, what you like sensually. So you like something which is overpowering but doesn't crush you. You like something which is calming, which is powerful but not overpowering.
not
Also. Then you
overpowering.
saw swans.
Yeah.
And you saw only 2 swans. That shows the closest friends and the number of people closest to you in life are where you can open up your heart.
I'm surprised
and
there's 2.
share. Maybe there are 2 people that you knock for different things and say
There's one
hello.
over here.
Yeah, and we'll find somewhere one. And then we went to a river bank जहाँ पर हमको cross करके जाना था. So crossing the river means that if there is something that you want to do, then there is no tomorrow. It's now.
It's now.
You want to act on it now.
Yeah.
It's like hasty. ये करके आर या पार करो. I don't want to be hanging in.
Yeah.
Then when you went there, when you're in a relationship, the feeling that matters the most to you is that I should feel good about it. I should always feel good about it. What is your true idea about love? Is what you said about the sky. You want it to be deep, you want it to be expanding, and you want it to be calming.
Yeah.
And then what is your true idea about love making? Right? That is what you looked at the sea and
Water.
said that you want instant. So for you, when it is in that mode, it's like
Yeah. It's instant.
now.
Like, yeah, why
it's
wait?
Like, be with the flow. Be with
Quench
the-
my thirst, I said.
Yes. Correct. I
Yeah.
wasn't willing to use that word, but you said
I said that.
You said that.
Yeah,
correct.
yeah, yeah.
So
And I just dived in it and I was floating.
So the idea of love is what I wanted to decode for you because it's always we always have a different image about ourselves. हम कुछ और ही सोच रहे होते हैं
Yeah.
और हम कुछ और ही चाह रहे होते हैं. But for you it was the same. आपको you just knew. You knew that this is what love means for you, and that is
Yeah.
why I asked the question. And we actually came at the same output. हम वही result पर लाए
Yeah.
जिस result पर आप already थे. You knew
Yeah.
what exactly you wanted.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Very good. Yeah, very accurate.
So, because you played it so well, I have a very tiny gift to give you for your home. तो हम आपकी थोड़ी सी exercise भी करा लेंगे ना इसको,
जरूर क्यों नहीं
because इसको आप ही निकालेंगे.
Oh, thank you. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Can I take it out?
Of course, it is supposed to be out. It's not entirely
Wow, look
very
at this.
light. Somebody.
It's beautiful.
You
Oh,
like-
this is lovely. Thank you so much. Look at this.
Yes,
Wow.
I want you to fly, gallop, run.
I know we talked about a galloping horse already. Thank you
We
so
did.
much.
Yes, we did. And I have another small gift for you.
Hanji.
Rinku.
Okay, smaller than this?
I don't say it's prettier or not, but more useful than this. This is going to be around you. So,
Let me see that. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, thank you.
yes, that's
And I will really make use of this as
correct.
well.
That's my daughter designed it for you.
Oh, she did?
She did. She selected these gifts.
Oh,
and she
I like
wanted
her
to-
taste.
Yeah.
Tell her
so
thank you so much.
She said, I said, we've got, he likes clean water, no plastic.
She knew that, huh?
My team shares everything that we receive. So then
Okay.
she said that he would really like the bottle to be around and I'll be happy.
Please tell her thank you. I'll be carrying this to all the film sets that I go to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I thought that silver will bring more prosperity,
Yeah.
power,
Although I
and
shouldn't
calmness.
carry silver around everywhere. Maybe I should leave it at home.
Yes.
Shows you how much I take after my money.
So this is this little
Oh,
love from our side.
that
to
is so sweet. That is a beautiful gift, both of them.
you. Yeah, this is just a written note about the benefits and everything. So it's like
Oh.
a little tiny story around it.
Let's see. Siddhi's Chandi Pani. Okay, I'm just talking about silver and it's,
Benefits.
yeah. And I know some stuff about that already, so
So
thank you.
just a little thing from our side. I hope
Too sweet.
you enjoyed
Please
and you
give her
liked
my
it.
love and tell
Absolutely.
her she nailed it. She really did. It's exactly what I would use and appreciate.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
for having me so much. Yeah.
Pleasure.
Yeah, and thank you for my signature.
Yeah.
I'm really going to make that change.
Because you should.
I will. Thanks.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you.